Hi, this is Patrick from Brown Computer Solutions. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly format an external hard drive for use with Mac OS X. First, I'm going to plug the external drive into a USB port on my Mac. The drive should appear on the desktop. If you plug an external drive into your Mac and the drive does not appear on the desktop, that's because your Mac is set not to show external disks on the desktop. You can change this setting if you'd like by going to the Finder menu and choosing Preferences. From there, you would simply check the box that says External Disks. From that point forward, when connected, external disks will show on your desktop. So I'm going to close this Finder Preferences window and we'll move on to formatting the drive for use with the Mac. So next, I'm going to click on the Go menu at the top of the screen and I'm going to choose Utilities. This brings me to my Utilities folder. From there, I'm going to scroll until I find Disk Utility. I'm going to double click on Disk Utility, and Disk Utility opens and shows me the disks that are currently connected to my Mac. The top disk is my internal drive, which is my startup volume, and I really don't want to mess with that one because that's what I'm booted from and has all my data. The next one down is the external drive, and you can see that it's yellow and has the USB icon because this is a USB drive. The icon could be a little bit different if you were connected to a FireWire port or a Thunderbolt port, but it will look almost exactly the same. It'll still be yellow. So I'm going to click on the 250 gigabyte drive, not the volume that's just below it, because I want to format the drive. So I'm going to click on the 250 gigabyte Hitachi, and then I'm going to move over not to the Erase tab, but the Partition tab. From there, I'm going to click where it says Current and choose one partition, and then I'm going to click Options. The reason I'm doing this is that this drive was previously set up to be used with a Windows computer, and it was partitioned using the master boot record. And that's great for a Windows computer, but it's not great for a Mac. This is how most external hard drives are going to ship from their manufacturer, so it's important to do this before you start using the drive if you're only going to be using it with a Mac. So I select GUID partition table, which is meant for the Mac, and then I click OK. The next step is I'm going to change the format from MS-DOS to Mac OS Extended Journaled. And then I'm going to pick a more personal title than Untitled 1. I'll call this one Joe's Drive. And then I'm going to click Apply. This little warning that pops up is just letting me know that all of the data on the external disk is going to be deleted. So if you have data on your external drive, don't do this until you have it somewhere else. I'm going to click Partition. The drive's going to disappear from my desktop, and then a few seconds later, it will reappear with its new name. Now, the drive will be ready for use with the Mac. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.